So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install NetBeans in Windows 11. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, open Chrome browser in your PC and search for download NetBeans. Here in the top you can see Apache NetBeans releases. Click on it and then click on download. Then choose the file type you want to download. We are choosing exe file. Click on it and then we suggest the following location for your download. Then click that link and choose the download location and click on save. Here you can see the file has started downloading. After the file has been downloaded, just you have to accept all the terms and conditions and click on install, and then Apache NetBeans will be successfully installed in your Windows 11. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.